am Dr. Shaju Thomas, formerly an Associate Professor of Zoology, Namala College, Muatibida, currently working as Head Division of Environmental Education and Conservation at the Tropical Institute of Ecological Sciences, TICE, Kottayam, Kerala, India. I present an innovative and participatory environmental initiative by a leading media group in India, the Madhubhumi Printing and Publishing Company Limited. The initiative is Student Empowerment for Environmental Development, SEED, aimed at creating awareness among student community on environmental issues and having a healthy lifestyle.
The Student Empowerment for Environmental Development, launched in 2009, is in its 6th year with the participation of more than 2 million students from 6,000 schools in the state of Kerala. It is a collaborative effort. SEED conducts a variety of programs to attract and engage student and teacher community for a better environment and a healthy lifestyle. The Season Watch program, conducted in association with the National Centre for Biological Sciences and Wipro, monitors 25 common species of flowering trees to facilitate the study in climate change. Students have made 50,000 observations and recorded the phenology of more than 3,000 trees so far, and it is going on. Plastic poses a big threat to the environment. Through the Love Plastic program, students collected 27,533 kgs of plastic and recycled it with the help of Eastern Group and Pelican Foundation. The Little Frame contest is an opportunity for the students to shoot with camera instead of guns. Free the Tree is an initiative from the students to alleviate the agony of the trees from nailing of hoardings and display boards. This initiative resulted in a High Court order and ultimately enacting a law for the protection of trees by the Government of Kerala. Awards and incentives are part of the SEED project, supported by the Federal Bank. More than 2 million rupees worth cash prizes, certificates and mementos are given to the best performers. Mangroves along the coastal areas of Kerala are under severe threat. Realizing this, SEED students started planting and protecting saplings in the mangrove-depleted areas that motivated Madhubhumi to purchase the land and convert it as a mangrove park. Through SEED Reporter, journalists from Madhubhumi impart training on green journalism and encourage students to write reports on environmental issues. SEED Police identifies local environmental issues and brings it to the notice of the authorities and pushes for action against it. Keram Kakan Kuttikootam, an initiative jointly organized by SEED and Coconut Development Board, conducted a student parliament for the protection and promotion of coconut trees. Family and school farming is another major initiative by the SEED students to get connected with nature and agriculture. This resulted in producing 1,93,651 kilos of vegetables, 96,000 kilos of fruits, and 55,610 kilos of paddy. SEED students visit national parks, sanctuaries, and protected areas to gain first-hand experience of wilderness. They have planted and protected 4,37,836 tree saplings over the last 5 years. The SEED programs provide opportunities to the students not only to learn and do things, but also to help change their behavior to love nature, fellow beings, and life on Earth.